The 3 golden rules of investing can transform your real estate journey, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your game. These rules are essential for long-term success. If you want more one-on-one help after this video, click the link down below. Hi, I'm Joe Homs, and I have over 40 years of experience as a broker, mentor, and investor. And I want you to subscribe so that you never miss a video. Let's talk about rule number 1, knowing your why. What is your why? Why are you doing this? It's not easy. There can be some pitfalls along the way. It is something that really that you need to focus on and that you want to do every single day. Literally wake up and say, I'm going to get that deal. I'm going to talk to that seller. I'm going to make sure that I convince them that this is the price that's good for not only me, but for them to get this thing closed in a short period of time so that they don't necessarily lose any money, because let's say they're in pre-foreclosure. So you need to know what your why is. Why are you doing this? Are you doing this because you want to get rich? Because you want to pass that along to your heirs? What is your why? Figure out what your why is. Are you following along? Make sure that you hit that like button and help me get in front of new investors. Number 2, let's talk about building a strong network. And we're living in a great time. When I started doing this over 43 years ago, there was no phones, there was no computers, there was no internet. It was literally word of mouth. Take this real estate course to get your license, and that's how you educated yourself. Fast forward 2023, we've got all those things that I just mentioned, and you also have people like me that are willing to help you achieve those goals. All you have to do is reach out. Just, get off your you-know-what and get out there and start being active and going to meetups, reaching out to people who will teach you. Yes, you have to maybe pay for some things along the way, like getting a real estate license if that's what you're interested in doing. Remember, education's always the best thing to do regarding real estate. The more you educate yourself, the better you are. And there's so many different things to do in real estate. Just so many different things to do. You just need to get out there and do it. Number 3, practice disciplined decision making. Okay? Make sure that whatever decision you're making is pretty much the same one each and every time. Make sure that you do all your numbers correctly, evaluate the deal, and you evaluate that deal without any emotional attachment to that deal. If that deal isn't the right deal for you, walk away. Okay? Be disciplined about that. There have been many times I've been to literally live auctions, and I see this all the time. There's somebody bidding, 200, 210, 220, and, my limit is 220. Then the next guy bids $220,100. And I stop. And I'm thinking, gosh, should I continue to go or what? And you have to be disciplined, because if you're not disciplined, at the end of the day, you may say 200,000, 200, they're going to say 300. By the time you wake up because you're at an auction, you're at 300,000. So you've gone way over what your budget and your limit was. So you have to be disciplined. By practicing disciplined decision-making and staying committed to your goals, you'll be well on your way to achieving your dream. What is the most valuable real estate lesson that you've learned from your journey so far? Share it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and always subscribe to the channel. As always, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help.